everybody. This is the first episode of Carter Does Cooking. So today we're making baked little red potatoes. See? Got it right there. Little Potato Company. Except you don't have to use red potatoes. So I've cut those up and put them into a bowl. So now I need to come in here and get the olive oil. And so you would want mixed herbs. So we just use this. Okay. Then get some pepper and some salt. So that's what makes it taste good. So then now, give me a second. And then you just toss it on the pan. So I'll just do a little trick. Alright, I got the tin foil on. So, now you just put the potatoes onto the pan. Let's see, so then, now that that's preheated, you will go ahead, and y'all are going to have to wait back here. So then, you have to put it into the oven. Ooh, and just beware, it's hot, so, yeah. Then, you'll toss it in the oven. We got the sketchy part done. Alright, so then what you want to do is you want to press this timer button. You'll just press the timer on, and then you want to put it in for 30 minutes. And then, so we'll be back shortly. Sit tight. Smells like fire. If you want to see more like this, I suggest you like and subscribe so you don't miss my latest uploads. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.